Welcome to Exam Buster, and today we are going to know about seed exam. So let us get into the details. The contents that we are going to discuss in this video are eligibility, maximum number of attempts, validity of score, exam pattern, negative marking, and finally reference books. And before going to further, we need to know what SEED stands for. SEED stands for Central Entrance Exam for Design, and it is an entrance exam for making Design Masters in Design program. So let us see. Aspirants have to complete a 3 years degree or diploma or PG program, or at least who will appear in the final exam of a 3 years degree or diploma or PG program can appear for this exam, or at least they need to pass GD Arts diploma program. It is 10 plus 5 level to appear for this exam. And coming to the age limit, there is no age limit for the SEED exam. And maximum number of attempts. Coming to the maximum number of attempts limit, here there is no limit for maximum number of attempts. You can write this exam for any number of times. And the validity of score. The validity of score of SEED exam is 1 year. And coming to the exam pattern, the SEED exam is again divided into Part A and Part B, where Part A is the computer based test which is called online exam, and Part B is an offline exam. And Part A is conducted for 100 marks, and same Part B is also conducted for 100 marks. And maximum duration of Part A is 1 hour and Part B is for 2 hours. And Part A is again divided into 3 types of sections: numerical answer type, multiple select questions, and multiple choice questions. And whereas for Part B, the questions that are aimed at testing design and drawing and writing skills, and they are going to ask you for design questions, and they are in 5 number. We will discuss further, and before that, the questions for Part A and Part B both are asked to be in computer screen, and for Part A the answer is going to be answered on the computer screen, but for Part B, as it is offline exam, you need to attempt on the answer book provided by the invigilator. And what are the questions based on Part A are going to be asked are: these will be design aptitude, and they will evaluate visual and spatiality, environment and social awareness, analytical and logical reasoning, language observation, and design sensitivity of candidates. And for Part B, as we already discussed, that they will ask you based on to test the design, drawing and writing skills. And coming to the negative marking of Part A, the number of questions. For numerical answer type, they are going to ask you for 8 questions, for MSQ 10 questions, and for MCQ 23 questions. And there is no negative marking for numerical answer type, and for MSQ 0.2, and for MCQ they are going to deduct for 0.5 and marks allotted. For numerical answer type section, 30 marks, for MSQ 20 marks, and for MCQ 50 marks, and totally 100 marks for 41 questions. Coming to the Part B, they are going to ask you for 5 questions, and they are form sensitivity, problem identification, creativity question, sketching question, and finally visualization question. Each section is going to ask you for 1 question, and each question carries for 20 marks, and 5 into 20, totally 100 marks. Coming to the reference books, and this is a list of reference books for the SEED exam. You can pause the video and watch these or listen to me. Seed and Design for Study Materials by F&IA. Seeds for Seed by Bhushan Patil. Design drawing by Francis D. Ketching. Rendering in pen and ink by Robert Gill. Perspective drawing handbook by Joseph D'Amelio. Art perception by David Seigelbach. And Cracking Seed by Ashok Goyal and Arjun Kamal. Seed and Design Test Series by Trends Academy. Seed Plus Need by F&IA. Seed for Seed by Patil Bhushan. Seed 2020 Exam Preparation Advanced Course Material by ICR Education. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, comment for further videos, and share.